You don't have to vomit a lot either. Sometimes it just be reflux. Sometimes it can just be a little saliva. And it goes down the wrong tube, gets into your lungs, and all the bacteria that's in your mouth goes into your lungs where it don't belong. You set up a pneumonia, become septic, you go into shock, and you die in about 30 minutes, 50, 60 minutes. It can happen fast.
My God. Those things are evil.
Yeah.
Evil, evil, evil,
Well, no,
evil.
in that situation. It's not the chemical. The chemical is just a thing of nature.